Welcome to Any Sheet Design. In this video, I will demonstrate an employee scheduler system that is created by Any Sheet Design via Google Sheets. This system is tailor-made to a company that is mainly selling consultancy services to customers based on project mandate. Let's look at the sheet year 1. Sheet year 1 and year 2 are the main sheets to input the records. Every employee has their records for project name, project task, leave, other task and non-billable task. To assign the task to an employee, simply choose from the drop-down list. You can also copy the project name and paste into other columns. Next, we assign the task for the employee. Here for instance, I assign the same task for Claire for a week. Let's say, the same 5 days task is repeated next month. We can copy the project name and task. Click the collapse line on top to collapse current month. And paste the records into next month. So, how to create the list of projects? We can go to Setting. Expand the setting for Project List. Under the column Project 2023. Let's create a new customer, Hotel Asia. Input the number of project days. And then assign the department that this project belongs to. So here I choose the project belongs to software team. Back to the scheduler sheet. Now you can see Hotel Asia in the list. Let's assign a job for this employee for this new project, so that we can have some data to review in report later. At the top of the column, you can see the dates that is declared public holiday. Saturday and Sunday will have different color for better indication. The column is grouped by months. We can collapse the past months or months that you want to view. For row, it's grouped by employee. We can click collapse all to have a view on everyone. Let's try to create a new job for an employee in June. From here you can see Christian is working in department hardware. Let's create a new job for hardware department in setting. A 10 days job for instance. And choose hardware in the column. Back to the scheduler sheet. Now we can choose the new project that we have just created. So for now, you should notice that different department will have different drop-down list of project. This is a system design so the statistic for each department project would not be messed up. Same goes to project task. Every department will have its own task list. Now, this Google Sheet contains several reports. First would be project utilization summary. You can choose the desired year here. You can see the newly created job Hotel Asia is over here. Now the list you can see is filtered by software department. Let's include the list for hardware department as well. There you go, Phyton Malaysia appeared. When a project is completed, sign-off column will mark a check. To mark a completed project, simply go to Setting again. Put a check on the checkbox here. And now it's checked in the report. Second report I'm going to show you is Project Detail Report. Select the project name here. You will see the related assigned employee and task with dates will be populated. The best part of this report is that it can show all assigned employees and tasks. Let me go back to the scheduler to add more tasks and people into the same project. Let me copy the project from Natasha to Chris here. And I change the task to cloud testing. Back to project detail report. And now you can see 2 persons that are assigned in this project are here. You can simply highlight the area. Print out to PDF and send to your customer for the arrangement. The next report is another kind of report you can show to your customer. The difference here with the previous report is, it can only generate the report based on one person and one project. Let me select Employee Claire. After that, a project name. You can see the calendar at the right side will highlight the assigned dates. The checkbox here allows you change the layout of calendar, whether the week start with Sunday or Monday. The final report is Resource Summary Report. You can see the project utilization here. Other task utilization, non-billable task utilization, and so on. You can also review the employee day offs here. For instance, Natasha is taking a day off at January 4th. Let me select AL stands for annual leave here. And you can see the number of day reflected here. Let me select medical leave for her as well the next day. Here you go, MC reflects 1. And you can see remaining AL. And remaining MC here. Let's have a quick look in setting. From employee list, you can see there is department attached with the employee. You can change the department that the employee belongs in your company. You can input additional information for the employee, such as number of annual leave, number of carried over annual leave, and so on. Another setting is about the task that the department has. Including other task and non-billable task. Last setting is for public holiday. You can input all the public holiday for the year here. And the public holiday will appear in orange color in the schedule. Hope you enjoy the video. And I hope the system can help you better. Thank you.